Welcome to our conversation on hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is a way of determining whether there is a statistically significant difference or relationship in your data. Step 1. State the statistical problem. State the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. In our case, the null hypothesis is that there is no difference in the mean between two providers, A and B. The alternative hypothesis is that they are not equal. Step 2. Select the appropriate statistical test. We will use a two-sample t-test in this case, since we are comparing sample means from two normally distributed data sets. Step 3. Select alpha and beta risk levels. Alpha and beta values determine the chance that the statistical conclusion will be incorrect. Most commonly, alpha is set to 0.05 and beta to 0.10. This gives us a 5% chance of detecting a difference when there is not one, and it gives us a 10% chance of not detecting a difference when there is one. Step 4. Perform the test and state the statistical conclusion. To determine a conclusion, the p-value of the test is compared with alpha. If the p-value is less than alpha, then we reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there is no difference between the means of provider A and B. In summary, hypothesis testing is a valuable tool in determining statistical significance. If you want to learn more, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us.